All right, so we've got the POM pepper spray. I clip this on the inside of my pocket and take it with me straight up everywhere that I go. My favorite part about this is the vibe that it gives you. You know, we're living in crazy times right now. It's 2023. Things are going, things are going downhill, especially if you live in a city. But even if you live in the suburbs or out away, it's like, dude, just carry this with you. I'm gonna be honest. I've never had to use it, but it's just you just feel when you have it on you, you just feel more at peace. You know, I get it. I'm fit. I'm relatively strong in comparison to the average person. You know, I can run pretty fast. I have boxing. But regardless, if this is all you have, say you're not strong, you're not fit, whatever. If all you have is pepper spray, you just feel better just walking down the street. And there's been times where, you know, I've walked by someone that, you get a little bit of a sketchy vibe. And just knowing that I have this on me, it's just like you just feel better walking down the street. So I highly recommend this to everyone. Carry this with you everywhere you go.